it's Gina with WTI. These adorable glass tumblers with bamboo lids made the perfect party favor at a bridal shower that I threw recently. These tumblers are from Finew. They come in a variety of quantities. I got the 12-piece set, which was perfect for the amount of people that I had at the bridal shower. And everyone there was so excited to get them as gifts. They were talking about how they're going to use them with iced coffee or to be able to do sodas or cocktails with. And they're so convenient because they fit perfectly inside the cup holder in your car, so you can take them with you. We use a soda stream at home to make our own carbonated water, and it's so nice to be able to put that inside the cup and add flavoring or whatever else and be able just to drink it easily with the straw. These come really perfectly packed, very secure inside foam. None of the pieces were broken, and I was really impressed with how they gave attention to how they were shipped so that they would arrive in perfect condition. These are so much fun to have around the house or to give as gifts. I've really enjoyed using them, and that's my point of view.